Good morning, guys. Welcome back to G-Made CNC. It's 7:45 in the morning. I just finished up a video on the lathe on how I warm it up, and decided to do one on the mill. So let's get this thing turned on, and I'll take you step by step on what I do to warm up the mill. Let's take a few seconds. Excuse the mess. I was up late last night running a batch of parts made of Delrin. As you can see, I gotta finish up the run today, so after that then I'll douche the whole machine. It's never this dirty. Alright, she's almost there. I'll get back to this as soon as it turns on. Alright, I'm still using Mach 3. Haven't made the plunge and switched over yet. I will be doing it soon. I've just been so busy with other things that I just don't really have the time to switch it over and go through the whole thing. But I will be doing it soon. But this program will work for either or. So we got the mill turned on. Okay. Just reference everything. Okay. And what I do is I go over to fixtures, then I go to G59. It's the one I chose. Select open. Okay, if you had Path Pilot, you could just go into your MDI and just type in G59 and set your coordinates at its home position. When everything is reffed, set everything 0, 0, 0, 0. Alright, for G59, and then save it. Let's go back to our main page. I'm gonna open up the G code, machine. Alright, so this is the code I wrote. Which, let's go over here and open it up. Okay, so I'll go through the code real quick. Calls for G59. Starts off at spindle speed of 1500 RPMs at feed rate of 50 inches a minute. And it'll go from its home position down at an angle where the table will move in and out at 50 inches a minute. And does that for 2 passes, then 75 inches a minute, and it just keeps ramping up, and the RPMs also ramp up 2,000, 4,000, 3,000, 4,000, etc., all the way up to 5,100 RPMs. I've seen videos of guys doing, warm-ups on the machines, and they start it up and they go full bore right off the bat, rapid speeds and full RPMs. It just didn't make sense to me. Thing sits all night long, oil drips out of the ball screws, in the bearings here, the oil that's in the bearings, it all settles to the bottom. So by turning on full bore, it just didn't make any sense to me. So I have everything start up slowly and slowly spool up to full speed. It allows the oil to get into everything, move around, and start warming up. Like you wouldn't start a car in the middle of winter and floor it and hold it at 5,000 RPMs for 10 minutes. You do that long enough, you'll grenade the motor. So I have it spooling up slowly. So let's close out of this, and I'll show you how the program works, and then we'll fast forward through it to the very end. Also, this program's set for no tools to be in it. So I run, this is just a plug that I made. It's basically this, with this cut off, more or less. I just like to keep something in the collet at all times, keep the tension on it. So let's cycle start. It ramps up to 1500 RPMs, running at 50 inches a minute right now. And it does that for 2 passes, and then it'll ramp up to 2000 RPMs, 75 inches a minute, and so on. 4 passes of that, and it keeps going up until it gets to 5100 RPMs. This program runs approximately for about 10 minutes. If anybody's interested in the code that I wrote, please email me, and I have no problem sending it to you. After it retracts all the way, you'll hear the RPMs kick up to 2000. And it ramped up to 75 inches per minute. So we'll fast forward to this now. There you go. Get you off the tripod. So code's done. And it ran for 9 minutes and 58 seconds. So, and from here, now when I'm done, I'll just close this out. Fixtures G54. And all my coordinates are back to where they were. And if you have Path Pilot, you just go to the MDI and type in G54 and it'll switch back for you. So, hope this was helpful. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. If you're interested in the code, please email me. I'll leave the email below. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. See you next time.